Hi, Dewey McDonald here from Guaranty RV. I'm doing stock number T41401. It's a 27 rear kitchen, 2020 Coachmen Chaparral. So one of the big things that Coachmen has Asdel siding. It's basically a plastic material on the inside of the wall, so it keeps it from getting any kind of delamination. So they advertise no rot, no mold, no mildew. Very nice product. I sell a lot of people at the coast. So to go inside here, it's a rear kitchen model in the back with a little island. You've got a double fridge and double sink, double fridge, double refrigerator with a nice stainless sink in there with a fireplace, big screen TV, little pantry in the back. You got your nice glass oven door with the 3-burner stove, microwave. You got nice big countertops here, table and chairs. You got Thomas Paine furniture, recliners, a little sofa hide-a-bed. Then you walk up to the bathroom. You got a little handrail going up here. You got a nice big bathroom with the big step-in like a tub, with a seat in it. Nice porcelain toilet. The bedroom, you've got a queen-size bed with a slide-out. So very nice. This one has actually air conditioning in the bedroom and in the rear. So good floor plan. A lot of people like it because it's open. It's a 3 slides. It's got the nice big Moride steps, the new steps. A lot of storage. Power awning off the side with speakers, LED lights, storage in the front, sides. So good unit. If you're interested in this unit, a smaller, lighter weight unit, come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guaranty RV.